So, here I am, working on my truck because today it acted like it did not want to start. It's been doing this all winter and I can't quite figure it out. But tell me why I'm working on my truck and somebody just decides to walk in front of my camera. Like, bruh, seriously? Are you for real? So I kindly ask him to move out the way, go back to acting like I know what I'm doing, but I really don't know what I'm doing. But at the same time I do. This is why I'm in school, to learn more. I eventually asked one of the techs to come help me. This guy was generous and had some extra time, and he did. I eventually want to change this engine, LS swap it, but step by step, you know, I got to do the small things first before you can go big. So as I go back to acting like I know what I'm doing, I'm contemplating, do I even want to build this truck? Do I even want to keep this as a project truck? Or do I want to just get a brand new car as a whole? And in a few, you're going to see why I started having these thoughts. It feels so nice outside. All right, let's go potty. Good morning, everyone. It's your boy from the mid, Jay the SKC kid. Was technically supposed to be in class today, but the belt on my truck Lightning is broke. It didn't break off, but it's on the verge of snapping. So what I pretty much am going to do today is take it off and replace it with a belt that I bought last night. So let's go ahead and do that, knock it out while we can. I got a lot to do today. Let's get to it. Come on, Lou, let's go. What are you doing? All right, so as you guys can see, a little bit on that belt is tearing. Top of that belt right there is torn. This is the belt tensioner right here on a 2009 Colorado. Radiator up here. So from the radiator on the left side is the belt tensioner. So we're gonna loosen this up, which will then, you know, loosen the belt and we can get it off. You definitely don't wanna have a ripped belt. It's not good for your car. It's not good for your safety. It's not good for you. So we're gonna go ahead and fix that. What up, girl? What up? Always interested in everything. Get back, get back, get back. All right, but this belt right here came from AutoZone. This automotive serpentine belt. It was only $31.99. So I guess this actual size I don't have, so I'm using a 5/8. I mean, it's working. It's a little loose, but it's working. It's just chilling. The tensioner, I realized you have to hold down in order to get the belt loose. So I'm trying to hold it down, get the belt off. There we go. Yeah. There. All right. So this is the old one. As you can see, the belt was on the verge of breaking. All shredded up on the sides. It's not good. You see some ripping there. It's not good for your vehicle. We got our new belt. I'll show you guys that. No cracks, no tears. Brand new. I got the belt on there, but it's just this one part right here that I need to get. So let's see if we can try to get that. So the thing that sucks is the tensioner, which is right here. I have to push down on, try to get the rest of this belt on. Which I feel like what I might do is just take this part off for now. All right, so I finally got the belt on, as you guys can see, but now it's time to reset the tensioner to pull it back up. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to tighten it a little bit. Yeah, right now, just tightening it. Now before I tighten it up, I am going to go ahead and try to lift the tensioner as much as I can, but not too tight, you guys, not too tight. Like right there should be fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this up here. All right, perfect. All right, and as you can see, belt isn't too tight, but on there enough to where it can't, you know, jump off the, I was about to say jump off the tracks like a train, but yeah, pretty much it's stuck. As you can see, this is also pretty tight. And there you go. That's how to put on a belt on a 2009 Chevy Colorado. So one thing that I do really enjoy about having a truck is all the trash, you just put it on the back. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up and see. Guys, wish me luck, wish me luck. Not too confident. This is my first time doing a belt change on the Colorado. So let's see. All right, it's running. This is wobbly, but that's been wobbly, I don't know why. Whew, I'm not gonna lie, I was scared that I was gonna jack up my truck or something. I don't know why the fan is so wobbly. I am gonna get that looked at. I might just order a new fan. But anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. The belt works, everything's flowing, nothing's going wrong. The freaking water pump just gave out. And it's funny because my dad just brought me my new one today. And then this one gives out. The belt that I just put on, freaking got chewed up again. So, bruh. So my manager, my lube rack manager is gonna help me put it on. I'm about to go back to work. I'm cutting my break short today. Lightning is starting to piss me off. Down, look at it.
Wild shit, man.
I know you was gonna say something about it. I just put that belt on.
I walked out and I seen, I looked down, I was like, look,
Sad day. Sad day. All right, guys. So I'm currently off work on my way home. It's kind of slick out. I'm taking the back roads because my next purchase for this truck is going to be tires. A little bit about what happened earlier. My coolant, or my water pump on the truck ended up bursting and ended up breaking. The thing about the water pump is I've noticed it's been looking like as if it's gonna fall, or looking as if it was gonna pretty much turn itself off. This is wobbly, but that's been wobbly, I don't know why. And so I'm not gonna lie, I really was like praying that it didn't fall off or nothing serious happened, but I didn't know the situation was so serious until I had my manager look at it. When he looked at it, he said, you need to go ahead and order it like pronto, like quick. So my dad, being the man he is, went ahead and helped me out and ordered it. I'm kind of stressed and a little bit worried about money at the moment. But at the end of the day, you know, I guess money is not the most important thing that I should be focused on. So I try not to focus on it too much, considering that, yes, I am in school and eventually it will come. And I'm only 23, so, you know, I still got lots to learn. On this channel, I keep it real. I try to be as real as possible with you guys. And that's all I can do. I'm probably like hecka dark right now. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up back at the house. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. This was just me doing something to the truck. My mental health is getting better. My sleep is getting better. I'm getting better. I'm trying to get on the schedule, but my schedule is like work right now. Work. Then I'm uploading videos for you guys. So watch out for the next video, and I'll see you guys in that next video. Peace out.